Welcome to October, everybody. It's officially fall. And whether you love it or not, the season has definitely changed. I love fall, but I love summer way more, and I was so sad to see it go. I think I may have had a case of the August blues. If you're anything like me, you anticipate fall before summer's even over. But why do people get so anxious about the change in season? What does that mean? And why does it matter that summer is changing to fall? Of course, things change when the seasons change. And even if you love fall, I am sure that you've already noticed our days are shorter, our time outside is much more limited, and we're already anticipating winter before fall is even over. Having shorter days means we have less sunlight. But why does that matter? Well, sunlight actually helps our bodies in many different ways. Sunlight helps our bodies produce vitamin D, which is connected to bone health, muscle health, and mental health. Sunlight also helps our mood. There's a positive relationship between the amount of time that we spend out in nature and how happy we are. Sunlight is also connected to a brain chemical called serotonin. This neurotransmitter is often referred to as the happy chemical because it is connected to our overall well-being and our happiness. Scientists have found that humans have higher levels of this happy chemical on bright, sunny days compared to cloudy ones. For some people, the sadness that they experience during the season change is very significant. Some people suffer from what we call seasonal affective disorder. This is a mood disorder that is related to depression. It can start in fall or winter and go until spring or early summer. This disorder impacts all aspects of life for the people who suffer from it, much like depression. But it's okay, there's a lot going on right now on top of the season change. So to help us out, we're gonna do a part 2 with some tips and tricks to deal with all of these changes. Stay tuned and I'll see you soon.